error that is sometimes shown in Microsoft Excel is when Excel shows a series of hashtags or the number symbols in cells. There are two reasons for this type of error message. The first and most common reason is that simply the cell that has returned the value isn't wide enough. So here in cell B7, I can see a very long number with a series of zeros. So one of the easiest way to fix that is simply by making this wider, and then your hashtags will go away. Another reason for this type of error message is when a time or date value is returned as a negative figure. So here I have a start time of 7 o'clock and I have an end time of 6 o'clock, and to get the duration I'm subtracting the start time from the end time. But in this instance, the end time is later than the start time is later than the end time. So I'm getting a negative value, a negative time value here. If I was to update the start time to 6 o'clock and update the end time to 7 o'clock, that would get rid of my error message with a series of hashtags. So this is quite a simple error to resolve.